There are two things when you're making and fitting curtains that a curtain expert will pick up on and will know instantly, and they make such a difference to the overall look. The first thing is hand finished curtains. Curtains where the stitching is by hand will just have a more luxurious and a more gentle feel to them rather than harsh machine sewing. So that is the first thing. The second thing is curtains that are professionally dressed after they're installed. So the pleats are dressed into their pleats and then they're left for, usually we say to people, leave them in their pleats for about 48 hours to train the curtains and to train the pleats. And that makes the world of difference. And that is something that certainly a curtain expert would pick up on. And they're very important.